उस वकील में, बड़ी वकील में, जहाँ पे वो लोग मेरे को थ्रो कर दिए, पूरा उठा के फेंक दिए, जहाँ मेरे को बहुत पेन हुआ, मैं आई कांट बेयर एट दैट टाइम. सो दिस इज द नॉट द वे, प्रॉपर वे. इफ आई एम इवन द कल्प्रिट, इफ आई एम एन accused, there is some due process law. They need to be followed. The authority is bound to there. They take the oath at the time of vote. They are wearing this dress. They will take the oath. So what is the again story started from here. When the ladies inside, they said he is not belongs to our बस्ती, हमारे बस्ती का ये नहीं होता. तो from there they again dragged me and started beating the SI and another constable and started the beating and me, and in my jaws and my legs, chest and what they said, the words in Telugu language which is already saying. ఎవరు అడ్వకేట్ అంటే ఏంట్రా, ఏం పీకిస్తారా మీ అడ్వకేట్స్, ఏం పీకిస్తారు అడ్వకేట్కి, మీ అడ్వకేట్కి. నేను చెప్పాను ఆ వర్డ్స్, జస్ట్ యూ గో టు ద కంప్లైంట్ ప్లీజ్. జస్టిస్ ఇస్ దేర్, దే హ్యావ్ అబ్యూస్డ్ ద జడ్జెస్. సో ఐ కాంట్ బేర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ హ్యాపెన్. దే వాంట్ టు ప్రొవోక్ మీ by saying that words, and when they beaten me and they along with them took SI and another one, they provoked me at their extent, and they at last they took me at the patrol car is there in the dark shed, where they very brutally attacked me without any injury in its stomach and in chest. When I am semi unconscious, I asked them, sir tamaru parenti sir cheppandi. మొగుడు రా, నేను మొగుడు, అందరికీ అడ్వకేట్స్కి మొగుడు. ఇంకా నేను చెప్పాను, ఐ హ్యావ్ రిటన్ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వర్డ్స్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్. In that patrol car, already 2 persons stood there in collision with their one driver without wearing the belt. He was driving the car, and another one beside there. I told them, I requested them, who is this officer who is defaming to the entire police department, because I am also witnessing the entire police department is not full like these persons. Honest persons are there. They are earning every month salary. They will dedicate to for social work. These kinds of officers available in this police department, Telangana police department. But few department peoples they are defaming not only their mothers, but they are defaming to other mothers also. So that the words, I am unable to sleep. Wherever I am seeing the police, this dress, these advocates, these courts, the words, wherever I am watching the mother. I can't stay outside my door, because when I am staying this face with my face, the peoples are feeling how much I am feeling, that much of guilty. What kind of sin I did that? What is my value among there? Who will come to me for justice? I have no value. They defamed me and my profession. They make not only they defamed, they damaged my initial career one.
4 बजे निकाल कर तशद्दुद और जुल्म के ठिकाने लगाना, ये बहुत ही निहायत ही नाकबूल है हमारे लिए, और इसके खिलाफ बिल्कुल सख्त कार्रवाई होना चाहिए. टिल द सस्पेंशन ऑफ दैट ऑफेंडर पुलिस ऑफिशियल्स. थैंक यू सो मच.
The action of the police Madannapet is high-handedness, Hyderabad, and especially the incident which took place with Kaleem is a condemnable act. That police is acting as a goon, not as an officer. This is not the character of a police who is under a code and who is defined with the code that it has to function with code which is given to them as per law. This act of high-handedness is to be condemned, and the police who is behaving like a goons are to be restrained, and the police who has misbehaved with Mr. Kaleem those are to be suspended. And now the repeated action of the police and behavior, what they are thinking is that there is no one above us. You are a person who are paid a salary by taxes, not by yourself, and we are the persons who defend the society as per law. So kindly I am again reminding Honorable CP sir that don't behave in this manner. It will be high time that you will be taught a lesson that it will be a history. Why? Because you are not behaving like a police. You are behaving like a goons. This is not the way. This is not the character behavior expected by you. You are a dressed person. You have got some dignity. So maintain the dignity. Not that you are behaving like a rowdies. Police station is not your house. It is a public place meant for you. You are the officer who have to protect law and order, not to take law into hand. But if in Hindi one proverb is there, जब रक्षक भक्षक बन गया तो क्या करना चाहिए? तो पब्लिक को जो है ना जब डंडा लेना पड़ता. That is my, I am requesting my humble President sir and Chairman of Bar Council sir, this is very high time now. We require immediate implementation of Advocate Protection Act. Our all brother demand is that we demand Advocate Protection Act. This is the high time, and now it is to be on all the police persons who are involved in this kind of stupid activity. I say stupid, I repeat my word, stupids. Those are stupid fellows who have misused who has abused their power. So there should be an FIR book against them, and immediately they should be suspended. No second thing. They should be suspended immediately. Nothing. So I again demand the Honorable CP sir, immediately you have to take an action. Otherwise, this agitation will come to your office directly, and we advocates by walk will come to and all the street of Hyderabad will be jammed by the advocates. No, and we'll go for a pen down. So I again request that please stop these brutal activities.
I am Y. Srinivasachari, President of the Bar Association, City Civil Court, Hyderabad. ఈరోజు మన బ్రదర్ అడ్వకేటు ఎంఏ కలీం పైన మాదనపేట పోలీసు వాళ్ళు అటాక్ చేయడం వల్ల తనకు జరిగిన గాయాలు మరి ఆసుపత్రి పాలైన విషయాలన్నీ కూడా మీడియాలో క్లియర్గా మనకు వచ్చినాయి. అందు గురించి ఈరోజు మేము ధర్నా చేయడం జరుగుతూ ఉంది. మన సిటీ సివిల్ కోర్టే కాకుండా ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్ ట్విన్ సిటీస్, నాంపల్లి కోర్టు, రంగారెడ్డి, మేడ్చల్ అండ్